Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Starship Token. Name of the token is Starship, and that is also the ticker symbol, all one word. And this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today on a very big central exchange, December 16th. We're going to go over the information on the Starship token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Starship token just got listed today, December 16th at 9 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you would have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Starship, all one word, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token is listed on DEX Tools. You can find a full DEX Tools chart there. Talks about Pancakeswap, all that type of stuff. And they have an audit on here. We're going to talk about if there's any warnings on the audit in a second. It says their market cap right now is just a little bit over $1 million. They have $65,000 in locked liquidity on Pancakeswap. They have over 1,220 holders and a 24-hour trading volume right now of $283,000. And you can check out their BSC scan as well. Yeah, so their BSC scan says they have 9 decimal places on this token. And according to Mexc, there is a lot of tokens here. So that is a million, billion, trillion, 420 quadrillion Starship tokens. So a lot of tokens. This is a meme coin on the Binance Smart Chain. Just got listed on Mexc. If you want to follow their Telegram, it is at Starship BSC Elon. They have 23,300 Telegram members, doing very well on Telegram. Now their webpage you could find at starship2023.site, SITE. So they have some Elon Musk tweets on their webpage that talk about, where they got the name for this Elon, or this meme coin from is obviously Elon's Spacex program company, and their Starship. Obviously Elon Musk is very talked about in the crypto world because he's in favor of Doge and all these other coins he's tweeted about, baby Doge and whatnot, and all these tokens like Milady and all these other tokens are inspired by his tweets. And now we have Starship, which is inspired by his SpaceX Starship. So Starship is an ambitious meme coin project inspired by SpaceX's groundbreaking rocket, aiming to fuse the spirit of space exploration with the cryptocurrency realm. Emulating SpaceX's innovation, resilience, and mission diversity, Starship symbolizes boundless possibilities, offering a dual-stage propulsion system with the decentralized finance galaxy, with a focus on sustainability, robustness, and reducing transactional costs, this project invites enthusiasts to unite in an exhilarating cosmic odyssey, charting a course towards a future where crypto, innovation, and space exploration converge. Incorporating the visionary essence of SpaceX's Starship rocket, Starship cryptocurrency embodies resilience and adaptability within the volatile crypto universe. Its design mirrors SpaceX's stainless steel rocket, emphasizing recyclability and durability while aiming for stellar heights in the crypto realm of decentralized finance, with diverse missions mirroring SpaceX's ambition, from launching satellites to contemplating lunar landings and even harboring dreams of Mars colonization. Starship invites enthusiasts on an exciting voyage where meme coin aficionados and space exploration enthusiasts converge to explore the limitless potential of the crypto cosmos. So that's in a nutshell what this project is about here. So our mission is to create a coin that embodies the magical essence of Middle Earth, combining the elements of fantasy, adventure, and humor. Starship is not just a meme coin, it's a gateway to a world where dreams and imagination intertwine, featuring a unique and mesmerizing tokenomics system. Starship rewards holders with precious tokens as they journey through the crypto landscape. Holders will be able to unlock special features and bonuses, making every step of the journey exciting and rewarding. On their webpage, they have their official contract address there. It says there is 0% buy and sell tax if you are going to get this off a decentralized exchange. And it says, join us on this intergalactic adventure as we launch Starship into the meme coin universe. Together we will redefine the role of memes using humor as a catalyst for intellectual exploration and meaningful conversations. Let's create a community that not only brings laughter but also stimulates minds and inspires individuals to delve deeper into the complexities of the world. Together we can unlock the power of memes to shape the more intellectual, vibrant future. Phase 1 of their roadmap is going to be launch first version of the website, create all social medias, stealth launch, release the utility, which is going to be a bot. Then we got caller groups, grow the Telegram, DEX listing, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Crypto.com listing, grow the socials, collaborations, banners, meme competitions, more holders, MEXC global listing, competitions on MEXC, press releases, bigger market cap, Bybit listing will be coming in the future. It says Starship bot on and off ramp, easy purchase. Then we got bigger market cap, PR, billboards, YouTuber collaborations, Qcoin listing, second utility, more holders. Got a little bit of team info, no pictures, but they have names, job titles, background, tons of partners and links, DEX tools, DEX screener, Abe.ai, DEX view, PooCoin, Pancakeswap, Twitter X, Medium articles, YouTube, Reddit, and GitHub. And then if you look at their DEX tools chart, they do have some quick audits, and it says no warnings on there at all. So it says check audits, trust scores 100%. There's no warnings on the audits, but just keep in mind those are quick audits. They're not full like extensive CertiK audits. So hopefully there'll be some bigger audits coming in the future. But check this token out. Let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about the Starship token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.